In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign a people field in ClickUp, Assignee Mapping 2026. First, open your browser and head to clickup.com. This is where everything starts. If you're not already signed in, click Login. You can continue with email and password or use a connected provider like Google or another social platform. Choose whatever your workspace allows and you're comfortable with. If your team uses single sign-on, use that for the smoothest experience. As always, keep your credentials private and secure. Once you're in, you'll land on your ClickUp homepage. From here, look to the left sidebar. This is your hierarchy. You'll see your spaces, folders, and lists. We're heading to the tasks you want to work with, so navigate through your space to the relevant folder, then open the list that contains the tasks you plan to update. With your list open in List View, look to the far right of the column header bar. You'll see a small plus icon. This is where you add new columns to your view. If you don't see it, try expanding your window or ensure you're in List View rather than Board or Calendar. Click the plus icon to add a column. A panel will appear with options. Use the search bar at the top and type People. This helps you quickly surface the correct field among all the available column types. When People appears in the results, click it to add the People field to your list. Now, let's talk about what the People field does. The People field is a custom field that lets you associate one or more workspace members with a task without changing the task's primary assignee. Think of it as a flexible way to tag stakeholders, reviewers, approvers, account owners, or anyone who needs visibility or participation beyond the main assignee. Depending on your settings, it can allow one or multiple selections. It's great for accountability because you can filter, sort, or group by this field to see who's responsible for what at a glance. It also plays nicely with automation. For example, you can set up rules that map the people field to the assignee when tasks reach a certain stage, aligning your assignee mapping with your process. Only members of your workspace will appear in the picker, and guests may have limited availability based on permissions. You can rename the field to match your workflow and drag the column to reorder it in your view. To use it, simply click any cell in the People column for a task and choose the teammate or teammates you want to associate. That's it. You've added and understood the People field, and you're ready to use it for clearer ownership and smarter assignee mapping in ClickUp.